Hey there, this is Joan of Art, and I have an Ilonggo word of the day for you. Huragok. What is huragok? It means snore. And to illustrate to you what huragok is, let me show you this video clip of a snoring dog. I'm here at Sagada cellar door, and this dog just came up to my lap, and he's now sleepy and snoring. Snoring dog. Zuki?
Okay, so is it a snoring or a purring dog?
Snoring. He fell asleep so fast.
This dog is obviously very comfortable with you, Joan.
Where is mom now?
Snoring so bad. I have never seen a snoring. It looks like Yoda. And
I wish I could fall asleep that fast.
Oh my god, yeah.
he falls asleep so fast.
I don't fall asleep.
He's snoring again. He's snoring again.
So you're going on a run tomorrow?
I heard, and it was a big trail runner. And so I used to trail run in Canada. I haven't trail run in a while, but he invited me. He invited me on a run 2 days ago when I saw him for the first time. And so, but I was busy, so
Snoring dog with eyes open.
How far of a run will you get?
I hope not that far. Because I haven't run in a while. I think 5K is great for me. Like 3 miles. 3 miles would be great.
Yeah.
Listen to this dog.
And all that stuff, it's just insane.
Yeah, I think it's only 10K, so it'll come in. What is this?
Wow. It's a nose flute.
A nose flute?
A nose
This
flute.
thing has got quite a bit of conversation.
Yeah, it's a conversational piece.
You have to become good at that.
This is Joan of Art from Sagada Cellar Door with Zuki here. See you later in our next video. Bye for now. This dog is snoring.